have done my schooling from multiple states of this country. For example, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, and Kerala. And for higher education, I have done BSc Honours in Botany. I have also done Masters in Botany. After the Botany Masters, I have also taught in Akash Institute as Assistant Lecturer for Botany. And from January 2019, I am working with Women and Child Development Department, Haryana, on the post of Female Supervisor. And I am also representing my district as Nodal Officer for Poshan Tracker application and Poshan Bhi Padhai Bhi PM scheme.
Okay, so you have a long academic background in sciences. And don't you feel that we need more scientists as compared to this government civil servant type jobs? Because you had a good opportunity, you have done from Delhi University, which is a reputed university. So why not opt for a career in sciences?
So since the beginning, my interest was more inclined towards administrative services and government jobs, and I was less of a researcher. I did not have that interest in that. That is why I did not opt my research.
And what is your optional subject?
Support.
Okay, you still then after so many years. So it's a long gap. I think you did in 2017. Now it's 2024, and still you are able to manage. You were able to manage that subject.
Sir, I have good grasp in my subject since I have taught also as a lecturer, and although there was gap in my academics, and then in 2019 I joined Women and Child Development Department. That was totally different from this academic background, but I did not leave my studies. I stick to that. I am also taking tuitions of biology.
So that helped you in studying.
Yes.
You just mentioned about Kerala state as well.
Yes.
So how much stay was there in Kerala?
Sir, I stayed there for 2 years since my father had a job in army.
Recently, Kerala state was in news because of some plant variety or tree variety, which is not now considered as it was introduced as ornamental tree, but now it is being considered like a villain because it consumes a lot of water. Can you name that tall variety of tree? Well, it's not native to Kerala. It was introduced from Australia. That tree is also found in Punjab, Haryana as well. It's quite economical.
Recently, Strobilus kunthiana was in the news, which was really tree, not trees, but they are shrubs. That
Yeah, to give you a hint, it's reputed as one of the tallest angiosperm.
Tallest, Sequoia, Meta Sequoia is the tallest.
That's gymnosperm.
Gymnosperm.
Eucalyptus was in news.
Yes, sir.
In which, and can you name the state tree of Haryana state?
Yes, sir. People, Ficus religiosa.
Any two economic or ecological significance of that variety?
So in Haryana, and even specifically in India also, people is a religious tree, and it is a sacred tree. So it is usually worshipped. And the second one is
No issues. Recently, new government is about to be formed.
yes, sir.
And you see the post of speaker has become quite important because it's a coalition era and lot of new and is being raised. So can you name was the first woman speaker in independent India? Because she was from Haryana only because the Vidhan Sabha
Shabhu Devi.
Shannu Devi. And what about the national level? Can you declare? Or there hasn't been anyone till date?
Sir, there has been Meera Kumar.
Okay. So tell me any 5 problems about Haryana.
Sir, currently I see there is patriarchy, although education levels has increased. First one I see as the patriarchy. Second is gender discrimination. Women are preferred less over men. Third one is sex selection, that is the problem of female feticide because of sex selection.
Is it still prevalent?
Yes.
What is the sex ratio of Haryana?
So 879 according to the 2011 census.
But now
It has increased.
Can you tell me what is probable?
So education is definitely the one.
No, at present, what is the sex ratio? Any guess?
904, sir. And we have Mewat as a district which has 907, which is almost the topmost state in respect to the
State.
District. I'm sorry.
So as you mentioned that Mewat has highest sex ratio.
Yes.
Which district have lowest sex ratio?
Sir, Silsa is the one.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
For Gurugram?
Sir, Gurugram.
And you see that Gurugram is more developed,
Yes, sir.
right? Being the NCR, it's more developed. Then what is the basic reason behind this? That Mewat not being so developed is having a good sex ratio and Gurugram is having less sex ratio.
So the basic thing I see through my personal experiences, the literacy rate. Literacy rate is very high in Gurgaon in comparison to Mewat, and being
Then
Mewat.
how it can be the main reason behind this? When the education is there, then the child should be like more.
So for sex ratio you are asking.
Yeah.
But sir,
If
you asked-
education is high, it means that sex ratio should be high also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
So the basic reasons are मैंने जो खुद ने पर्सनली देखा है कि पॉवर्टी है मेवात में, उसकी वजह से उनको एजुकेशन भी नहीं मिलती, एंड मोर ओवर women are anemic and they are not more dependent upon the fact that if more children will be produced. So sir, इसमें ये रीज़न हो सकता है कि एजुकेशन क्योंकि वहाँ पे ज़्यादा है गुड़गांव में, तो सर वो लोग
take your time, take your time, take your time.
सर वहाँ सर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज वेल एज द सोसाइटल डेवलपमेंट इज मोर इन गुड़गांव, बट
Can you correlate infrastructure development with less sex ratio? So let's move to another question. So you have traveled to a lot many states, as you have said that your dad's job is transferring, right? So which state you like the most?
Sir, Kerala I see was the best state in respect to the education also, in respect to the society also, in respect to the mindset they
What do
have.
you like the most about Kerala? Any one specific thing?
Sir, it is a very beautiful state. Nature wise it is very nice. Sir, काफी घूमने को है वहाँ पे places.
If you get into the job and after retirement, will you like to settle in Kerala or you will stay in Haryana?
Sir, if I get chance I will.
If you get chance. Okay. So tell me, as you are working in women and child,
Yes, sir. Women and
so
children.
any recent scheme related to women and child that caught your attention?
Sir, recently the triple MSY scheme has come, launched by our department. Sir, in this scheme, जो दूसरा लाइव बच्चा है, that to मेल, उस माता को हम 5,000 रुपये देते हैं, आप देने लगे हैं, just because the scheme has launched. तो उसमें the
Male child.
yes sir, for male child. Already we had for female child, आपकी बेटी हमारी बेटी. Second one PMLY, प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना, जिसमें हम 5,000 देते हैं. और जो पुरानी स्कीम चलती आ रही है जिसमें 1 लाख रुपए दिए जाते हैं, लाडली स्कीम, अंडर बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. बट रिसेंटली हमने सेकंड मेल चाइल्ड पे भी एक स्कीम लॉन्च की है, तो उस पर भी भरा जा सकता है फॉर्म. तो सर ये है स्कीम जो अभी रिसेंटली
टोटल एरिया कितना है हरियाणा का?
44,212 स्क्वायर.
जो पलवल है, आप पलवल से राइट? पलवल को कौन से नंबर का डिस्ट्रिक्ट था हरियाणा का?
21.
कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट से निकला था?
सर ये उससे फरीदाबाद से.
अब मेरे को लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरी तरफ से, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का इलेक्शन डायरेक्ट होता है या इनडायरेक्ट? आर यू श्योर? आर यू श्योर?
डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन होता है.
डायरेक्ट होता है. आर यू श्योर? चलो, चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा किसको रिजाइन करेंगे?
वॉइस
काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर किसको रिजाइन करता है? क्योंकि अभी रिसेंटली आप देखेंगे पीएम को,
द्रौपदी मुर्मू, प्रेसिडेंट।
द्रौपदी मुर्मू।
Okay. So, tell us about one strength and one weakness as an individual.
So, in respect to strength, a person should have courage and determination. और जरूरी है कि perseverance भी हो. That person should
Or
have.
weakness?
Weakness में sir, one should not indulge in the work too much that the private life is lost.
So you want to say balance? Yes.
Yeah, there should be balance.
And you just mentioned about perseverance. Can you link it with science and tech? What is in space perseverance mission?
Perseverance mission अभी सर हमने before Chandrayaan 3 हमने मार्स पे भेजा था जो
Are you sure it was sent by India?
नहीं so some state has sent I guess I don't remember sir but मार्स पे भेजा था उसका नाम हमने perseverance में डाला था।
It was NASA's rover mission.
हाँ
Okay. And can you differentiate Aditya L1 mission from Gaganyaan mission?
yes in Aditya L1 mission the spacecraft is being launched on the L1 Lagrangian point where the gravitational pull of sun as well as earth cancels out, so that becomes a perfect place to launch the
So basically we are studying outer layers of
to study the outer layer of the sun, the corona, the chromosphere and the photosphere, and also for the study of solar flares.
What about Gaganyaan?
And for the Gaganyaan sir, Gaganyaan mission is a manned mission. 3 people are being sent to the Earth's lower Earth orbit, and with one Vyom Mitra is being also sent, the humanoid robot, to study the outer space layers.
And what is the gender, what is the appearance of Vyom Mitra guy?
Humanoid is sir, it's a woman, coats up and
We have already sent Kalpana Chawla and something. Why are we sending a robot who is dressed like a female?
Sir, robot से ऐसा होगा कि can I take few seconds sir? Sir, human के comparison में हमने देखा है कि robots are more sufficient and as well as intelligent also in the case of artificial intelligence. तो सर कुछ cases ऐसे हो सकते हैं जहाँ पे humans को help लगेगी robots will do better and for the capturing of data. So, that's it.
And if you are not selected, what is your plan B? Would you be appearing this exam once again if it comes?
Sir, I keep preparing. Yes, sir.
And are your UPSC attempts exhausted? Or is there still?
So one is there.
one is there? Suppose you get selected in that final UPSC attempt. So would you leave this HCS job if you get?
So it is a human tendency to pursue in life and have better status. So if I get, I will definitely.
Don't you think that you are wasting the seed for someone else who really deserves that? Going to UPSC, we wish you go to UPSC, but don't you think?
So you मैं समझती हूँ सर कि मैं ही नहीं कोई और भी होता तो UPSC सेलेक्ट करता और
But
अच्छी
you should be different from others. Why to copy others?
So ये मेरा ड्रीम भी रहा है कि मैं IAS बनूँ तो
इसमें भी आप आईएएस बनेंगे अगर आप एक्सेस में प्रमोट होकर,
but sir
बल्कि ये होगा कि आप आपकी होम स्टेट रहेगी.
it will take time और मैं चाहती हूँ अभी
Okay,
से
yes, one final question from my side. If you are given a chance to lead Haryana state, which one specific area you will like to address on ground? Any one area?
So a lot has to be done for women. I see in the past years in my field experience, I have seen that somewhere many aspects women are being not
Then don't you think at current position you are already working in that field and you can do more justice by eventually at your.
But the thing is, sir, in this post, decision making is not in my hand. For example, sir, I have seen there are many areas, many villages where there is lack of education, and even though schools are there, but they are in the middle of 5 level. उसकी वजह से बच्चियाँ स्कूल नहीं जा पाती. पेरेंट्स कह देते हैं तू कौन से स्कूल जाएगी, कहाँ इतनी दूर जाएगी, छोड़ दे, पढ़ाई छोड़. So somewhere I see कि education sector में भी और nutrition sector में भी some policy implementation has to be done at higher level so that और development हो सकते हैं. In the lower, basically in the lower Haryana, Kalpal and Mewar बहुत development हो सकते हैं.
अगर आपको डीएसपी मिलता है पोस्ट तो फिर आप ये कैसे करेंगे?
सर, अगर मुझे डीएसपी मिलता है तो भी बहुत ऐसे एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे हमें काम करने की ज़रूरत है.
नहीं, ये जो आपने भी पॉलिसी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की बात की, ये फिर कैसे कर पाएंगे आप? आपको बड़ी अच्छी सोच लगी है हमें, लेकिन ये आप कैसे पूरा कर पाएंगे?
सर, मैं ये देखती हूँ कि बच्चियों की 15 साल में शादियाँ होनी हैं. 2 बच्चों का तो केस मैं नहीं रुक पाया सर, उनका चाइल्ड मैरिज हो रहा था. एंड देन दे अप्रोच्ड मी और फिर मैंने हायर लेवल पे डीएसपी सर के पास जाके भी बात किया. एंड देन मैंने वो चाइल्ड मैरिज रुकवाया. और मैं अभी भी सर विलेज टू विलेज जाके सबको अवेयर करती हूँ कि वी हैव वुमेन हेल्पलाइन नंबर और वो मुझे भी अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. और जो डीसीपीओ का डिपार्टमेंट है वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, वन स्टॉप सेंटर पे जा सकते हैं, सखी सेंटर्स पे जा सकते हैं, दुर्गा शक्ति ऐप का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो सर मैं उनको अवेयर करती रहती हूँ. तो अभी भी सर ऑल्दो इट इज़ नॉट इन दी डॉक्यूमेंट्स और ऑफिशियल डेटा, बट चाइल्ड मैरिज इज प्रेवलेंट.
अभी आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस पे हैं या
सो मैं परमानेंट हूँ सर.
परमानेंट? तो फिर आप इतनी अच्छी जॉब क्यों छोड़ रहे हो?
सर, मुझे अपने आप को ऑफिसर देखना है, ये मेरा सपना है.
अच्छा, आप ऑफिसर देखना चाहते हैं. मेरे को बताइए कि आर्टिकल 32 क्या कहता है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में?
आर्टिकल 32 सर ये कहता है कि मैग्ना कार्टा ऑफ दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जिसमें 226 एट हाई कोर्ट लेवल एंड एट सुप्रीम कोर्ट लेवल 32, जिसमें हमारा जो राइट्स अगर इन्फ्रिंज हो रहे हैं तो वी कैन अप्रोच द कोर्ट. एंड फंडामेंटल राइट के इन्फ्रिंजमेंट के लिए है सर ये.
राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो कौन सा राइट है हमारा? फंडामेंटल है, कौन सा राइट है?
सर ये तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट है. ऑल्दो इनिशियली आर्टिकल 44 में राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी था, बट उसको omit कर
आर्टिकल
दिया.
44 में
नहीं सर, कौन सा राइट था?
अमेंडमेंट थी 44.
हाँ, आर्टिकल 44 के थ्रू सर इसको omit कर दिया.
अमेंडमेंट 44 के.
अमेंडमेंट 44 सर
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
थोड़ा मिक्स हो गया.
थैंक यू.